Hey guys, this is Way at Johnson RV, Fife location. We're looking at a 2011 leisure travel Unity. Gonna take a quick walk around. This one has aluminum wheels, a lot of big outside storage in case you're going on long trips. There's a 3600 watt LP generator in case you plan on doing some dry camping. Another big storage compartment for the outside. This unit has a backup camera. Also has a slide, so you're gonna have plenty of room on the inside. We'll go ahead and take a peek on the inside. Manual awning, so it only takes a couple minutes to get that set up. And let's step inside here. Alright guys, we're inside the Leisure Travel Unity Murphy Bed Edition. So as you can see, the Murphy bed's right here. This is a pretty unique floor plan. Also has 2 recliners with the controls right down here. Table setups right here. And has a recessed TV that's hidden, so you push this button on the side here and it pops right up. All your control panels are right here. This will show you all your levels, control for the slide. Also has a stabilizer system. Has the kitchen right here, and also extension for the counter in case you plan on doing some cooking on your trips. Nice size fridge, Dometic. Looks like it's a convection microwave, and has a rear bath. If you look back there, there's a big wardrobe, huge shower. Can fit pretty much anybody. So nice size spice rack. And you have the easy blinds on this as well, so you can get some privacy without having to mess around with the stick. And there you have it, folks. It's a 2011 model. If you have more questions, feel free to call us at 253-286-0833. My name's Way again. Feel free to ask for me, and I'll be happy to tell you more about it.